guys, thanks for buzzing in again to Digital Wealth Hive. Imagine you're on this exciting journey of selling your awesome creations on Etsy, and you've teamed up with a print-on-demand superstar like Printful. You're totally pumped about joining the ranks of those success stories you've heard about online, the ones where people are raking in passive income by the thousands. But here's the twist: it's been a few months now, maybe even 3, and those sales just haven't rolled in yet. Or perhaps you're sitting on the edge of diving into the Etsy pool with your print-on-demand dreams, but you're wrestling with doubts about whether it's too crowded out there and if you'll really make any real money. Trust me, many people tend to overlook its importance. Imagine you're all pumped up to kickstart your very own t-shirt venture. You type in the keyword t-shirt in the Etsy search bar. Boom! 7 million results come flooding in. Yes, you heard me right, 7 million and counting. Do you want to be just another drop in this ocean of options? Or are you ready to stand out and claim your own piece of the action? I have a feeling you want to be on the top floor. So let's embark on a journey into the realm of niche discovery. Let's find that sweet spot that will set you apart and make your Etsy shop a true gem in the marketplace. All right, let's get a clearer picture here. Instead of just looking at all kinds of t-shirts, narrow it down to something specific like teacher shirts. See the difference? The numbers drop a lot. You're looking at around 300,000 results. That's progress, isn't it? But don't stop there. Hold tight because we're not slowing down yet. Time to dig even deeper and fine-tune your focus. What if you dig into custom teacher shirts? Now we're talking about 1,500 results, and that's where you want to be. So keep in mind, if you're gunning to conquer Etsy, you'll need to do some solid product research. Oh, and here's a tip for you. If you want to speed up your research game, think about using SEO tools like Sales Samurai. It's a real game changer when it comes to ramping up your product hunting process. Let's talk about setting up your Etsy shop like a seasoned pro. Aim for a solid range of 20 to 30 listings in your store. Why, you ask? Because when potential customers step into your shop, you want them to think, "Whoa, these guys mean business." Believe me, projecting confidence can work wonders in boosting sales. Now, if you're wondering, how in the world can I manage creating that many listings? No worries. Here's a savvy trick. Give your listings a new twist, switch up titles, shuffle around those main photos. Think of it as a fresh coat of paint for your shop's appeal. You've got this. Now let's dive into the golden nugget, your first 5 sales and reviews. It's like igniting the engine of your Etsy journey. Think about it. Nobody wants to be the first to arrive at a party, right? And here's the big reveal. is incredibly important because it's like the magic key that helps your online content, whether it's a website, a blog, or even your Etsy shop, get discovered by the right people. This means more visibility, more clicks, and ultimately more potential customers. It's like making sure your shop's front window is beautifully decorated and easily seen in a bustling marketplace. If you're curious to know more about SEO tools, just drop a comment down below. I'm here to help and can provide you with more information to satisfy your curiosity. Now let's talk about the title. This is your front and center, your showstopper, the thing that makes people pause while they're scrolling. So let's keep it simple. Keep it sharp and definitely keep those keywords in mind. Don't forget to add tags. These are like your trusty SEO companions, quietly leading potential buyers to your doorstep. Sticking with it is the key to success. Hey guys, thank you for joining me on this insightful journey into the world of print-on-demand success. I hope you found these tips and strategies valuable for your own entrepreneurial endeavors. If you're hungry for more knowledge and want to dive deeper into topics like SEO tools and expanding your reach with Pinterest, make sure to leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on future money-making insights. Until next time, keep hustling and keep crafting your path to success. This has been Digital Wealth Hive, and remember, always be wealthy.